Hello, viewers. Welcome back to the Holistic Collective, where we bring you a ton of fun videos on health, wellness, and more. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and never miss out on all the amazing facts and information we are also eager to share with you. Also, do remember to check out our affiliate products in the description below. Today's video is something which is one of the most popular methods for weight loss and overall fitness. It is a part of yoga and is known as pranayama. So what exactly is pranayama? Well, pranayama is the ancient practice of controlling your breath. Yoga comprises of asanas, which refer to the body postures, and pranayama, which is breathing techniques. Now, the asanas are a very effective way to lose weight, increase flexibility, and help you with your overall health. Pranayama, on the other hand, helps in connecting your body and mind. It also supplies your body with oxygen while removing toxins. This is meant to provide healing physiological benefits. So let us see how we can do these super beneficial pranayamas. Today we will perform a mix of asanas and pranayamas and speak mainly about the benefits of pranayamas. Before you start any form of yoga or breathing, do remember a warm-up is of utmost importance. So just a few body stretches, arm, leg, ankles and wrist rotations should suffice. Next up, get your yoga mat and sit in a comfortable position. Remember to wear comfortable clothing. Try to sit in Vajrasana if that works for you, or even a Padmasana will do. For those of you who aren't familiar with these terms, Vajrasana is when you bend both your knees inwards and sit on your heels. Padmasana is when you sit on the floor with both legs crossed over each other. Your back has to always be upright and hold the chin mudra. Do not droop your chin. Make sure you are relaxed and keep a gentle smile over your face. The idea is to feel better. Gently close your eyes and free your mind of all thoughts. Let us start breathing exercises and do them for a minimum of 10 counts each. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Inhale gently and feel the fresh air filling your lungs. Feel the air circulating all over your lungs and moving back up as you gently exhale through your mouth. Do this 10 times. Inhale and exhale. Next we will do Kapala Pranayama. The name is derived from two Sanskrit words, Kapala meaning skull and Bhati meaning light. This is an intermediate to advanced pranayama that consists of short, powerful exhales and passive inhales. This exercise is a traditional internal purification practice or kriya that tones and cleanses the respiratory system by encouraging the release of toxins and waste matter. It acts as a tonic for the system, refreshing and rejuvenating the body and mind. If you are a beginner, then try to do this for a minimum of 20 counts, and for those who are used to the Kapala Pranayama, you know the drill. The next pranayama we will do is alternate nostril breathing. It is called Anulom Vilom. Hold your fingers into the Nasika Mudra, which is done by folding the index finger and middle fingers to touch the palm. The thumb, little and ring fingers stay up. The ring finger may bend slightly, and that's okay. Now for the Anulom Vilom Pranayama, start by covering your right nostril with your index finger while the hand is in the Nasika Mudra. Now slowly and gently breathe through your left nostril. Hold your breath and exhale from your right nostril as you gently release the pressure of it with your index finger. The next move is to do the same thing, but this time inhale from the right nostril. Hold your breath and exhale from the left nostril. Do this for a minimum of 10 counts each side. The alternate nostril breathing is known to help with multiple things such as relaxing your nerves, improves concentration, spiritual power, and memory strength. It strengthens the lungs and keeps it from diseases, improves digestion, calms the mind, and relieves mental and physical stress. Now we will do few yoga asanas just to loosen up our bodies a bit, and after that we will speak more about pranayamas and their benefits. Next up, we will perform the Gomukhasana. This is generally done with your legs crossed, but if you aren't comfortable with that, then you can also start by doing the half Padmasana. Once you are seated right, you need to try and hold both your palms from behind. Lift your right hand over your head and reach out to touch your mid-back. Now your left hand goes from the side of your body behind your back to hold on to the left palm or fingers of your right hand. It's like shaking hands with yourself but behind your back. Keep your spine upright and always chin up, princess. Hold this pose for at least a minute. Do the same by alternating the hands. This pose may not be easy for most people in the beginning, but with trial and practice you will get there. Keep breathing deeply while you hold this asana. This really helps with back pain. It stretches your hips. This provides power to your ankles, thighs, shoulders, armpit, chest, and triceps. It relieves chronic knee pain. It strengthens your spine and abdominal muscles, helps decompress your lower spine, strengthens the hip joint, and definitely improves your posture. The next asana will help with flexibility in the legs. Start with the butterfly pose. This is simple yet very effective. Simply join both your feet and hold your feet with both your hands and keep flapping. Imagine your legs to be butterfly wings. Flap away. Do this for at least 20 seconds at a stretch. Now that your body is warmed up and stretched, well, let us focus and understand what pranayamas can do for us. The different types of pranayamas are Ujjayi, meaning the victorious breath, Brahmari or the female honeybee hummingbird, and Bhastrika or bellows breath, Anulom Vilom and Bhati, which we just performed. Doing these pranayamas daily, making it a way of life, will help with many things. According to the Central Michigan University, Ujjayi breathing is a technique that allows you to calm your mind by focusing on your breath. This helps you override thoughts that could possibly distract you from your meditative state. The way you perform Ujjayi pranayama is, as you inhale and exhale, keep your mouth closed. Constrict your throat to the point that your breathing makes a rushing noise, almost like snoring. Control your breath with your diaphragm. Keep your inhalations and exhalations equal in duration. It is known to improve your concentration, release tension throughout the body, and regulate heating and cooling of the body, warming the core from the inside. The next pranayama, which is Brahmari pranayama, is also known as hummingbee breath. It is a calming, breathing practice that soothes the nervous system and helps to connect with our truest inner nature. The way to do it is sit down and close your eyes. Place your index fingers on your ears and cover your eyes with the other fingers evenly spread out. Breathe in, and while breathing out, make a humming sound which sounds like Your tongue needs to touch your palate to help you make this humming sound. The exhalation sound resembles the humming sound of a bee, from where it gets its name. Brahmari pranayama helps lower one's blood pressure, thus relieving hypertension. It releases cerebral tension, hence it is recommended as a nightly routine yoga for better sleep. The next pranayama is called Bhastrika. This one really helps up your energy levels. It uses a little force and isn't as gentle as the other pranayamas. You need to sit down cross-legged and raise your arms above your head. Inhale strongly as your hands go up. Make a fist and bring your hands down as you exhale strongly, as though you are pulling something down with force. Repeat the action. Bhastrika has a favorable effect on the respiratory and digestive system. It drains excess phlegm from the lungs. It oxygenates the blood, increasing the vitality of organs and tissues. It strengthens and tones the abdominal region, and it surely calms the mind. It also energizes the entire body and mind. Now that you have learned how to do some effective pranayamas and yoga asanas along with knowing the benefits, we really hope you make this a part of your routine and eventually a way of life.